Now let's crochet the connecting piece of the blue river mussel with blue yarn together. Please crochet using the correct colors yarn, as specified in your pattern. Start with slip knot and work 10 chain stitches, 1 single crochet from the second chain stitch from hook, followed by 2 half double crochet, 3 double crochet, 2 half double crochet, and 1 single crochet. 9 stitches in total. Now left palm facing you, hold the yarn tail and loop the yarn once around your pinky, wrapping the yarn around your index finger with the yarn tail facing you. Hold the yarn tail with your thumb and middle finger. Put your hook under the yarn with the tip of the hook facing you. Rotate hook from bottom to top to make a loop on hook. Pinch the loop where the yarn crosses. Yarn over and pull it through the loop. Pull tight. So we got 1 slip knot. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook to work 1 chain stitch. Repeat with 9 more chain stitches. The second chain stitch. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. See 10 stitches. This is the first chain stitch from hook. This is the second chain stitch. Insert hook back into the second chain stitch from hook to work 1 single crochet. Mark the stitch with the stitch marker. Next, we need to work 2 half double crochet. Yarn over and insert hook into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull yarn through. See 3 loops on hook. Yarn over and pull yarn through all the 3 loops on hook to work 1 half double crochet. The second half double crochet. Then work 3 double crochet. Yarn over and insert hook into the next stitch to work 1 double crochet. Yarn over and pull yarn through. See 3 loops on hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. Finished 1 double crochet. Repeat with 2 more double crochet. The second double crochet. Third. Continue with 2 half double crochet. The first half double crochet. Second. Then work 1 single crochet. Work 1 chain stitch and pull the yarn to leave a 6-inch long tail for sewing. Cut off the yarn and pull tight. Now we have finished the connecting piece. We need to sew 2 pieces and connecting piece together. Take the yarn tail of the connecting piece and thread it through the yarn needle. Take 1 shell piece. We can see that the stitches on edge of the shell piece is aligned with the stitches on edge of the connecting piece. Insert the needle into the aligned stitch on the shell piece with the connecting piece yarn tail stitch. Draw the yarn through. Repeat along the corresponding stitches on both pieces for seamless seaming. Continue with 1 stitch on the shell and 1 stitch on the connecting piece to connect the 2 parts. Repeat until the end. Match the corresponding stitches on the opposite side of the connecting piece and the another shell piece, and use a yarn needle to sew them together in the same way. Insert the needle into the aligned stitch on the shell piece with the connecting piece yarn tail stitch. Draw the yarn through and pull tight. Repeat along the corresponding stitches on both pieces for seamless seaming. Repeat until the end. Now insert the needle into the edge stitch of the connecting piece and draw yarn through. Don't pull tight. Insert needle into the ring left between the stitches and pull tight to make a knot. And insert the needle inside and draw yarn through. Next, we need to sew the side stitches. We can use the remaining yarn tail or join a new yarn strand to sew. Thread the yarn through the needle. Align the edges of the shell stitches. We need to stitch the entire side of both pieces. Insert the needle into the aligned stitches on both pieces and draw yarn through. Repeat to connect the corresponding stitches on the side of both pieces. Finished one side. Now insert the needle into the next stitch on the edge of the piece and draw yarn through. Don't pull tight. Insert needle into the ring left between the stitches and pull tight to make a knot. And insert the needle inside and draw yarn through. Use the needle to hide the yarn tail in the stitches on the back of the piece. Make sure to slide the needle under the stitches, not over, so the yarn tail stays hidden within the fabric. Cut off the yarn. Repeat to connect the other side of the two pieces. Finish the other side. Insert the needle inside and draw yarn through. Use the needle to hide the yarn tail in the stitches on the back of the piece. Repeat to hide other yarn tails. So we have finished the shell.